Today is the day I'm going to be having my investors and some of my business partners pitching to some of my most successful friends in the United States on my private jet. This has been something I've been working on for the past 3 years and it's finally come to fruition. So let's do this. Here we go, guys. Are you ready? The number one wealth coach in the world is here. Woo! What I'm trying to
If you look at the social media space, you will see that people are becoming tired of online chat, just texting front and back. So people are beginning to want that real connection as humans. So I'm building an application that is just going to solve just that for that market. It's the first of its kind. I've searched the market. There's nothing exactly like this. Right now, I'm looking for just $2 million seed investment. I'm a developer myself. I'm already coding the app. I have the UI UX design already ready, and I want you guys on board. Let's solve this problem for 1 billion people in the next 5 years.
Once we see all the documentation, let's take a look at it and take it from there.
Oh, perfect.
Congratulations.
It's been an amazing one. I finished my pitch. The investors love my pitch. I'm getting a deal.
There's so many buildings that are old schools not being used all around Milwaukee, and I want to be able to use them. So the business model will be subscription-based and co-working, and then also the cloud side. So anyone, anywhere in the world could use our digital services with a monthly subscription. We have a program where you can go through, instead of going to Bali, right, and spending 5-6 grand, just come to me. You get certified in whatever you want.
They were very receptive to what I had to say, and they gave me a lot of great advice.
I think right now you should focus on getting your own clients and your own clientele.
There is nothing, like absolutely nothing that's stopping you from being successful but just yourself. One thing you have to understand about business is not activities. It's about doing something that's productive and bringing in money.
Yeah.
You know, so all this event that I'm putting together, my boats, the yachts, the jets, it's all bringing in money, and that is what you need. You need that cash flow to build your business, to build teams, to get connections with people. You can't do that with money.
I work out a lot. I'm a big workout fan. And getting workout clothes that fit, that are breathable, that are free, that is somewhat of a challenge-ish. I have mine right now.
I just need to work a bit on them as far as branding goes. And then when I come back with the improvements that I've made, I hope that we're able to work together on those ideas that I was able to present to you.
Okay guys, we're gonna go eat some food.
Nurse set with a little Salt Bay.
Yeah.
This one's listed for $1,049,000.
Nice to meet you.
How many bedrooms?
Come on, let me show you. 2 bed, 1, 2.
How many bed? Two?
Two
Yeah, I think
bedrooms
it's a
in the
two.
main house, and there is an ADU in the back.
Okay.
any business, because right now what I do is I'm a nurse and I'm trying to kind of start real estate investing, and all I need is just coaching.
The more people you talk to, the more offers you make, the more money you're going to make. It's a completely it's a numbers game. Everything else can be figured out, right? Or renegotiate and say, here's the thing, I don't buy market value, so you need to understand. I buy below market value, I fix it up, and it's worth a lot more. I don't buy market value, fix it up, and hope it goes up. So you have to buy a great deal from the start.
Well, a great experience, and I'm looking forward to pitching more.
Actually, what I'm after today is more time for Brian and Stuart, the CEO and CFO, to explain this better than I can. I'm trying to get another meeting with me and them, with you two or whoever's involved. Interested. That's my pitch today, to secure another meeting. I am connected with a company called Fly Air Inc., and I was just pitching that company, which I'm connected with. They've created an app in hopes for a future meeting to share more. So thanks a lot. Whoever wants this can keep